WNW stock, Miwu Technology Co Limited. So what we're looking at right now for this stock, WNW, is a very, very bearish trend. Over the last 3 months, the trend has just been a downward trend. Even though sometime in early July we saw a spike. This is the spike we are talking about here. But after that came retracements, and then sometime in around 20th of July or 21st, it spiked up again above its 10-day moving average, continued to retrace downwards, and then again like a pattern as well. Sometime in right about the 24th of August, which was roughly about a month ago, it spiked up above its 10-day moving average. By this 24th of or 25th of July, it was now trading above the 10 and the 20-day moving averages, and you would want to conclude that at this point, yes, it's trading above its 10 and 20-day moving averages. Maybe this downward reversal has been banished. Okay, yeah, it stayed there for some time. It stayed pretty much for some time, for a couple of sessions, up till early September. And you would say yes, it is consolidating it has been consolidating for a couple of sessions. There's a good chance it will probably move up, but no, the trend has continued. We are now seeing that the highs are getting low. The lows are getting lower. The highs are equally getting low as well. The downward trend has continued. It would leave anybody to conclude that this stock is definitely going to continue to retrace, continue its downward trend. But well, when it comes to the quantitatives, we can see what's going on here. Shares outstanding is 25 million. The float, public float, is about 6 million. So I think what is really going to save the stock, or rather what will continue to provide an opportunity for market participants as it concerns the stock, is largely the float involved, and also the fact that it's still pretty much it's now close to or rather still in penny stock territory at the moment. So amongst other things, these are the sort of things that will attract or will keep the stock in the radar of certain market participants whenever they come back again. They know that when they come back, they put a small amount of money in the stock, it might move up. We have seen that of late. It has always been the case. So even though we see more of that occurring in recent times, so any positive news might help the stock. But right now we are not even seeing any encouraging short interest figures. You can see what's seen here. Short percent of float is 7.25. That's of late, that's not wonderful anymore. A couple of years ago that might be okay, but of late, no. Market participants will not be encouraged by that sort of figure. So amongst other things, that could also be what is behind this lack of interest in the stock. Short interest is not so wonderful. It may have been better before, but right now it's not so wonderful at all. So but where the market participants don't want to be, that is where you probably have to be. We have not done the due diligence concerning WNW stock. We don't exactly know what they do, but technically the stock looks like a buy. It's a very, very risky buy. It is trading at a discount to all of its moving averages. Easily, yes, it's definitely a buy, but at the same time, it is highly risky because for sure the downward trend is definitely going to continue. So where is the bottom? Which day? When are they going to come back and let it spike up again? Because for sure that spike that happened in July will happen again. For sure, it will happen. Would it be higher than that? There's every chance it will be higher than that. So the more it retraces, the more bearish it gets, the better the prospects of it spiking higher would also continue to improve. So it is a buy, but we are not recommending that you do so, because there's every chance this downward trend is going to continue. We have seen the stock trade above its short-term moving averages, but couldn't stay up there. It is just a confirmation that the play right now is to sell and sell and sell and sell. So at some point it will be reversed, but maybe not anytime soon. So if you buy it now, you may also lose money. but as it is right now, it is, you know, I mean, based on all our principles, it is trading at a discount. So why not buy it at a discount? You know, so see what you make of WNW stock. It is highly bearish, very risky. It is technically a buy, but at the same time, we're not saying you should do so. Okay, so we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.